Hey guys, Brock Bowman here. Just checking in. I got this new set of floor mats. Not a whole lot of the kind of upgrades I normally do, but I thought I'd check it out because WeatherTech stuff is so out there. Like everybody's got it. I read a whole bunch of reviews, did some research, and came up with these Husky liners instead. Now, Husky actually made the wheel well liners for my truck, and I actually like the fit of these better than the last set I had that were OEM Ford. So as you can see here, I've already taken out my mats and vacuumed nicely. So let's snap them in and see how they do. Well guys, you can see they fit right in and they look killer. The fit's much nicer than the WeatherTechs I saw online. Now granted, maybe those people put them in wrong, maybe the product was damaged, I don't know, but these fit super nice and they look nice. They snap right in to the factory locations, and as you can see, they snug up pretty great to all the corners. Now here in Arizona, we don't have a whole lot for mud and all that kind of crap. We have a lot of dust and a lot of small things that collect in the cars, and I have animals, so yeah, you guessed it, lots of hair. Anyway, it literally took more time to get these out of the packaging than it did to install them. So let me know if you have any questions. What are your thoughts? What do you guys use? What do you like? Feel free to comment and like and subscribe if you don't mind. Every little bit helps. Thanks guys.